Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sunny from Toronto, and today I'm gonna unbox OnePlus 9 Pro with OnePlus Buds Pro. First, OnePlus Buds Pro, black color, and it was included as a bundle. I'm so excited to open the case and see inside. Ta-da! See how well packaged it is. It's nicely matte and I like it. It has very smooth shape as well. When the earbuds go near to the case, it just sticks to it. The LED light on the case changes as you open and close it. Let's look into a box if we've missed anything inside it. Now it's time to open a box for OnePlus 9 Pro. Be extremely careful when you use a knife. Ta-da! There are 4 cameras on the back side. Let's wrap this out. I really fancy the color of the back side. It literally reflects everything around. This is pretty much for the OnePlus 9 Pro, and see what we have missed. Under the first layer of the box, there is a charger and a charging cable. Here comes another box with all the instructions and a letter from the CEO of OnePlus. And the most important thing in this box is the sticker. Ba-bam! I'm planning to put it on my laptop. Let's see how it turns out to be. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye!